Hello cadets, this is Mr. Storm and welcome to Linux Fundamentals. Now in this video we're going to talk about what Linux Fundamentals is. First of all, if you have not already passed and received your certification for A+ computer maintenance, you may be in the wrong course. You may want to come talk to me and we'll work it out. You might want to swap into A+ computer maintenance. You may be really excited about learning Linux, and that's great, but I need you to know some of the information in A+ before you can be successful in Linux Fundamentals. So maybe make that switch if you haven't already passed that class. Well, now that we got rid of those guys, welcome. This class is awesome. It is a full year course. At the end of this class, you can receive the Linux Fundamentals certification, or I believe they call it the Test Out Linux certification, whatever it is. Linux Pro, I believe. So at the end of this course, you will take a test, and this class is a year long. So at the end of the school year, you will take the test, and if you pass the test, you'll get the certification. It is an equivalent to the CompTIA Linux Plus certification, and so at the end of the school year, if you want to also add the Linux Plus, we can talk about that as well. In this class, you're obviously going to be learning about Linux and many of the different distributions you would normally see as a Linux user, as a Linux administrator, as a Linux maintainer. You're going to learn a lot of terminal commands. You're going to learn a lot about how the operating system itself ticks. It's a very Linux focused class, as the name suggests. So hopefully you have a fun time with this class. Hopefully you learn a lot, and I'm glad to have you. I'm excited. It's going to be a fun year. Thanks for paying attention.